Hi everyone, I am Srisa. This is your second lesson in grade 3 social science. Today's chapter is Sun and the Solar System. Before we start our today's topic, shall I recall your new words? Mercury, 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 Mercury. Venus, 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 Venus. Earth, 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 Earth. Mars, 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 Mars. Jupiter, 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 Jupiter. Saturn, 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 Saturn. Uranus, 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 Uranus. Neptune, 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 Neptune. Today, we are going to recollect your previous topic. Planets. Planets are large natural objects that orbit or travel around stars. 8 planets orbit the star called the Sun. In order from the closest to the Sun, these planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury. Mercury is the planet nearest to the Sun. Therefore, it is the innermost planet of the solar system. Some features of this planet are: it is 1/3 of the size of the Earth. It is the smallest planet. It has rocky surface and many craters. It is brown and grey in color. It does not have any moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 88 days. Life is not possible on Mercury because days are very hot and nights are very cold on it. Although Mercury is nearest to the Sun, yet there are some regions on its surface which never get heated by the Sun. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is almost as big as our Earth. Therefore, it is also called the sister planet of Earth. Some features of this planet are: its surface is dry and desert-like. It has many huge volcanoes too. It is the brightest natural object that can be seen from the Earth. It does not have any moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 225 days. Life is not possible on Venus because it remains very hot all the time. Venus is also known as the morning star as well as the evening star, as it is visible in the sky during sunrise or sunset. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is our home. Some features of our planet are: it is neither too cold nor too hot. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water and 29% with land. It has one moon. It completes one revolution around the Sun in approximately 365 days. Earth is the only planet that supports life because air and water are present on its surface. Due to the presence of a large amount of water, It is also known as the blue planet. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. It is of the size of the Earth. Some features of this planet are: it is a very cold planet, so we cannot live on it. It is known for huge dust storms. It has huge craters on its surface. It has 2 moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 687 days. It is red in color because of the presence of a large quantity of iron. That's why it is known as the red planet. A day on Mars is of about 24 hours, 39 minutes and 35 seconds, which is just a little longer than a day on the Earth. Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the Sun. It is 11 times bigger than our Earth. Some features of this planet are: it is the largest planet. It looks orange, red, yellow, brown and white in color. It has 49 moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 12 years. Like Mars, Jupiter is also a very cold planet. Hence, life is not possible on it. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It is around 9 times bigger than the Earth. Some features of this planet are: it is the second largest planet. It is a very cold planet. Its surface has golden, brown, white, red and yellow bands. It has about 60 moons. It takes 29.5 years to complete one revolution around the Sun. It is a unique planet with several hundred rings around it, out of which 7 are major. Saturn is also known as a gas giant. Galileo Galilei was the first person to discover the rings around the Saturn. Uranus. It is the seventh planet of our solar system. It is 4 times bigger than our Earth. Some features of this planet are: it is an extremely cold planet and is covered with ice. It has 13 rings around it. It is greenish blue in color. It has 27 moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in 84 years. A person who travels in space is called an astronaut. Scientists who observe and study planets, stars, and other heavenly bodies in the sky are called astronomers. Neptune. It is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is almost the same size as Uranus. Hence, both these planets are called twin planets. Some features of this planet are: it is the furthest planet from the Sun. It is green-blue in color. It has 13 moons. It completes one revolution around the Sun in approximately 164 years. Uranus and Neptune are called ice giants because they are extremely cold and have ice on them. Earlier, Pluto was considered the ninth planet of our solar system. However, scientists have now found out that Pluto is too small to be considered a planet. It is even smaller than the Earth's moon. It is now known as a dwarf planet. Pluto has 5 moons and the largest of these 5 moons is Charon. I hope that you understand our today's topic. Now I have planned to give you few questions for recollect our topic. Refer your concept book in the page number of 23 to 28 and answer the following questions in the note. Shall I tell your first question? Your first question is, what is called orbit? What is called orbit? Your second question is, which planet is called as the red planet? Why? Which planet is called as the red planet? Why? Your third question is, which planet is called blue planet? Which planet is called blue planet? Your fourth question is, how many days Mars takes to complete its revolution around the Sun? How many days Mars takes to complete its revolution around the Sun? Your fifth question is, draw and color the solar system. Name the planets. Draw and color the solar system. Name the planets. Now we are going to do an activity with your family members. Okay, children? Do one document. Make groups of 9. Each group has to act like the solar system. One learner of each group will act like the sun and other learners will act like the 8 planets. Now the groups will come in turns and each member of the group will share a feature of the assigned planet or the sun. For example, the learner who will act as the sun may say, I am the head of the solar family. The other learner who will act as Mercury may say, I am the smallest member of the solar family. Answer the following questions. Your first one is, the name of the planet you enacted. The name of the planet you enacted. Your second question is, a special feature of the planet. A special feature of the planet. Your third one is, your neighboring planet in the solar system. Your neighboring planet in the solar system. Your fourth one is, the number of your moon or moons. The number of your moon or moons. I hope that you all going to enjoy this activity with your family members. I'll see you in my next class. Thank you.